Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science, and GSS Darbhanga. And in this video, I am going to talk you class 7 Computer Science. And this is the second chapter, Cyber Ethics, Crimes and Safety. This is the fourth day. I have already talked you third day of these chapters. Previous class, I have talked to you the unethical practices in which I have covered up to 4. I have already talked to you plagiarism, cyberbullying, hackers and crackers. And in this video, I will talk to you about the phishing and spamming. Phishing is a special type of unethical practices in which we people are receiving the emails. It is generally coming from the banks and he is asking to update your personal information in net banking accounts. So you have to give the detailed information related to your bank accounts, your passwords, your name, father's name, date of birth, address, like that. So that is the fraud mails, but it's look like the genuine ones. So we people are lures and cuts, and we are giving the information, all those things, and then that is going to cyber crime people's. They are withdrawing the whole amounts from our accounts. So this is the phishing. These days generally it is came into the existence. So how actually we prevent the phishing? What is the way to do so we can able to prevent the phishing? So never open the emails coming from the unknown sources. So we should never ever open any type of emails which is not reliable and not genuine ones, and we don't know. Generally, as the message is coming that so no once the bank officer is asking to update your personal details, but such type of message is generally coming to your mails. So never open ever open such type of mails. Email asking you to provide any confidential information against online lottery. Generally such type of mails is coming that you are the winners and you have won the lottery, so you have to give your details, personal information related to your bank accounts, password, like that. So never ever you have to provide your personal details, because this is the fraudulent mails, and we have to keep it in mind. This is the phishing type mails. Okay, never use the link provided in email to open the bank websites. They generally, this such type of mail is generally giving the link. It is providing the link, and through that some next website is going to open. That is the bank websites, and that is the fraudulent websites. So never ever you use such type of link, otherwise you become scared. In such a ways we can able to prevent the phishing. Okay, next one, that is the spamming. Spamming is a junk mail types mails. Whenever we are opening our emails accounts, we able to see so many mails are coming. We have deleted many emails. However, the next days so many emails are coming. That is the unwanted and junk emails. Generally, the new companies and big companies advertising their products, and they are sending advertisements so many people in a single click. So that is the spamming. Generally, this is the annoying and harmless, but sometimes it is also doing the crime theft. So how can we can able to prevent the spamming? Never provide your email's address to any unreliable websites. So keep it in mind. Never ever you provide your email address. Otherwise, such type of mails would comes. Again, second point, use the spam filter facility of your mail server to block the unwanted mails. So you have to use the filter facility, which is having in the settings. You can do so that unwanted mails won't come. Again, never reply the mails collected from the spam folder. If such type of mails is coming and they are asking to reply, so never ever you have to reply such type of mails. So you can able to prevent the spamming. Okay, in the next video I will talk you some another unethical practices. So how was this video? You have to comment. Okay, thank you.